Ampsure's growth was really slow in essence. It's only the last couple of years that we started expanding quite a bit. The first couple of years were a struggle of note. So it was myself and one guy, and for about a year and a half, and then around the second year we decided to get another team in, and that wasn't with another car. That was me driving around Joburg with 2, sometimes 3 teams in the back of the car, dropping them on sites, and myself going out to do the smaller stuff. So the first couple of years were basically 3 teams, 1 car, dropping people on site and just managing those teams while doing my own stuff, while doing admin. You know how it goes.
Basically it would look like something like this on paperwork, and it's obviously very time consuming to get this all done and sorted.
The baseline of ServCraft's offering in terms of jobs, where we would have an Excel spreadsheet with 1 column and then copious other amounts of columns next to that. ServCraft would combine all of those Excel columns into 1 job basically.
With the app now of ServCraft, it becomes so easy. It's time consuming as well, so we save a lot of time. It's more backtracking. We have notes, we have photos, we have videos and everything, so life has become extremely easy with ServCraft. It just helps us to do day-to-day things at least 10 times quicker than we ever could have done it. And it cannot go lost. It's all on the cloud. It's ServCraft, so it's there forever, and we can always go back 6 months later to a job. We can go back and see what we've done and so on.
The way that it made it easier is that you have the job, the text that we used to have inside Excel and copy and paste over to WhatsApp is already inside the job. Both admin and the team can see it.
Also, the app syncs with the email addresses to the clients. They know when we're on the way, they know when we are busy, they can see how long we've been there, they can see when we are done. So without actually talking to the client every 5 minutes on WhatsApp, he can just see the emails and our status of what's going on.
So that is a little campfire with all of the people sitting around it, and all of the nice information is inside the campfire, and everyone can see it in the same place at the same time.
I'll definitely recommend the app to anybody, any business, every person. Once you get to know the app and once you learn the app, you see how quick things start going and how much time you're saving. So that makes a huge difference at the end of the day.